Have you ever watched a motovlog that just blew you away? The shots were incredibly smooth, the edits were crisp, and the whole thing just flowed seamlessly? That, my friends, is the power of good filming and editing. In the world of motovlogging, you're not just sharing rides, you're sharing experiences. But if your video is shaky, poorly edited, and hard to watch, that experience is lost. We'll cover everything from choosing the right camera angles to stabilizing your shots and adding those final touches that make all the difference. Whether you're a seasoned motovlogger or just starting out, this guide will give you the tools and techniques to elevate your content and captivate your audience. We'll delve into the world of camera angles, exploring how each perspective can dramatically change the feel and story of your vlog. Get ready to discover the secrets of smooth, cinematic footage. We'll dive into the art of editing, showing you how to cut, transition, and score your footage to perfection. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to transform your raw footage into stunning motovlogs that will leave your viewers wanting more. When it comes to motovlogging, camera angles are your secret weapon. They have the power to transport your viewers right into the heart of the action or give them a fresh perspective on familiar roads. Each angle offers a unique viewpoint, shaping how your audience experiences the ride. You can seamlessly switch between perspectives, keeping your viewers engaged and adding dynamic energy to your edits. From the immersive experience of a helmet cam to the cinematic feel of a rear-facing shot, we'll uncover the best ways to use each angle to tell your story. The helmet cam. It's the OG of motovlogging, offering that classic first-person perspective that puts your viewers right in the rider's seat. It's perfect for capturing those high-octane moments, tearing down a twisty mountain road, navigating through city traffic, or hitting the trails for some off-road action. The helmet cam puts the viewer right there with you, experiencing every bump, jump, and adrenaline surge firsthand. It's also a great way to share your everyday rides, giving your viewers a glimpse into your daily commute or your weekend adventures. We'll dive deeper into stabilization techniques later on, but it's something to be mindful of when using this angle. If the helmet cam is about immersion, the chest cam is all about perspective and capturing the essence of the ride. Mounted lower down on your body, the chest cam offers a wider view of the road ahead, capturing more of the motorcycle and your surroundings. This angle is ideal for those laid-back scenic rides where you want to showcase the beauty of the open road. It's also a great way to bring your motorcycle into the frame, showcasing its design and features in detail. This is especially useful if you're reviewing a new bike or showing off some modifications you've made to enhance performance or aesthetics. Because it's mounted closer to your body's center of gravity, you'll get less shaky footage compared to a helmet cam, especially during smoother rides. This stability makes it perfect for capturing those long, uninterrupted journeys. Let's face it, shaky footage can ruin even the most epic motovlog. No one wants to relive that bumpy ride, right? That's why achieving smooth cinematic footage should be at the top of your motovlogging priority list. The good news is, you don't need expensive Hollywood-grade equipment to stabilize your shots. With the right tools, techniques, and a little know-how, you can transform your shaky footage into buttery smooth masterpieces. Stabilization is the unsung hero of motovlogging. By mastering mounts, software, and filming techniques, you'll be well on your way to capturing footage that's as smooth as your riding skills. When it comes to stabilizing your motovlog footage, it all starts with a solid foundation, literally. Your camera mount is the unsung hero of smooth shots, acting as the crucial link between your camera and your motorcycle. Choose wisely, and you'll be rewarded with stable, shake-free footage. Look for mounts with vibration-dampening features. Handlebar mounts are a popular choice, offering a versatile perspective and easy access to your camera. Chest mounts provide a stable, low-angle view that's great for capturing the road ahead. Helmet mounts offer that immersive first-person perspective. Always double-check that your mount is securely fastened to your motorcycle. Even with the best mounts and filming techniques, you might still encounter some unwanted shake in your footage. This is where the magic of software stabilization comes in. Most modern video editing software, including Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro, come equipped with powerful stabilization features. These tools use sophisticated algorithms to analyze your footage and smooth out those shaky bumps. However, it's important to use stabilization effects judiciously. Experiment with different settings to find the sweet spot that smooths out the shake without sacrificing the integrity of your footage. Filming your motovlog is just the first step. Editing is where the real magic happens. It's where you transform raw footage into a captivating story, taking your viewers on a journey that's both visually stunning and emotionally engaging. Think of editing as the assembly line of your motovlog. You've got all these different parts, shots from various angles, scenic footage, action sequences, and it's up to you to put them together in a way that flows seamlessly. Remember, the goal is not to overcomplicate things with fancy effects or jarring transitions. Instead, focus on the fundamentals, cutting your footage effectively, using transitions smoothly, and choosing music that enhances the mood and energy of your ride. Cutting your footage is the foundation of good editing. It's about removing the unnecessary bits and focusing on the most exciting and engaging parts of your ride. The key to effective cutting is to find the rhythm of your ride. Watch your footage back a few times and pay attention to the natural breaks in the action. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cuts. The goal is to keep your viewers engaged, so vary the pace of your cuts to match the energy of the ride. If it's not adding anything to the story or dragging on for too long, it's better to get rid of it. Transitions are the bridges between your shots, smoothing out the flow of your motovlog and creating a more polished and professional feel. The most common transitions are cuts, fades, and dissolves. Cuts are abrupt transitions, often used to create a sense of energy or immediacy. Fades gradually transition to or from a black screen, often used to mark the beginning or end of a scene. Dissolves blend one shot into another, often used to create a smoother, more seamless transition. The key to using transitions effectively is to be subtle. Timing is also crucial when it comes to transitions. Pay attention to the natural rhythm of your footage and use transitions to enhance that rhythm. Alright, gear up and let's dive into the action. It's time to film your motovlog. Remember, we're aiming for quality over quantity here. Don't just hit record and ride for hours, hoping for the best. Embrace the power of multiple angles. Start with your trusty helmet cam to capture that immersive first-person perspective. Then, switch it up with a chest mount to showcase the road ahead and give viewers a better sense of your motorcycle and the surrounding scenery. A handlebar mount can offer a unique view of your controls and the road, while a rear-facing camera can add drama and excitement. Aim for clips that are no longer than 30 to 60 seconds each. Now that you've got a collection of awesome clips, it's time to bring them into the editing room and start assembling your motovlog. Think of this stage as putting together a jigsaw puzzle. Each clip is a piece, and it's up to you to arrange them in a way that creates a cohesive and engaging narrative. Fire up your editing software of choice and start organizing your clips on the timeline. Review each clip carefully and start trimming away any unnecessary footage. Don't be afraid to be ruthless with your edits. You want to create a natural progression that keeps viewers engaged from start to finish. Now that you have the basic structure of your motovlog in place, it's time to add those extra layers that will elevate your video from good to great. Music is a powerful tool for setting the mood and energy of your video. Choose a soundtrack that complements the style of your ride and the overall tone you're going for. Transitions are essential for creating a smooth and polished feel. Use simple cuts to connect clips that flow naturally together, or add fades or dissolves for a more cinematic touch. Captions and text overlays can add another layer of engagement and information to your motovlogs. Congratulations! You're in the home stretch. You've filmed your ride, assembled your clips, and added those finishing touches. This is where your hard work truly starts to shine. Now it's time to review your masterpiece and ensure it's everything you envisioned. Take a moment to appreciate how far you've come. Watch through your entire motovlog from start to finish, paying close attention to the pacing, the flow, and the overall impact. Make sure every second counts. Does it keep you engaged? Are there any moments that feel slow or out of place? Would you want to watch this video if you were scrolling through YouTube? Put yourself in the viewer's shoes. Be honest with yourself and make any necessary adjustments. Sometimes, a small tweak can make a big difference. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to export the final video file. This is the moment where your project becomes a finished product. Most editing software offers a variety of export settings, allowing you to choose the resolution, file format, and quality that best suits your needs. Make sure to select the best options for your audience. Finally, upload your masterpiece to YouTube, share it with the world, and don't forget to promote it on your social media channels. Get ready to watch those views and subscribers roll in. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you film and edit, the better you'll become. Keep pushing your creative boundaries and enjoy the journey. And there you have it, your roadmap to crafting motovlogs that are as smooth as your riding. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, these tips will help you create engaging content. Remember, it's not about expensive gear, it's about mastering the fundamentals. Even with basic equipment, you can capture stunning footage. Choose angles that tell your story, and don't be afraid to get creative with your shots. Stabilize your shots with mounts and software, ensuring your viewers get a smooth and enjoyable experience. Edit with rhythm and purpose, making sure each cut and transition adds to the narrative. Think of each motovlog as a mini adventure film, where you bring your audience along for the ride. You're the director, the editor, and the star. Embrace the creative process, experiment with different techniques, and find your unique style. And most importantly, have fun with it. Your enthusiasm will shine through and captivate your audience. Your passion for riding and your unique perspective are what will draw viewers in and keep them coming back for more. Share your journey, your challenges, and your triumphs. So gear up, hit the road, and let your creativity flow. The open road is your canvas, waiting for you to paint your story. The open road is your canvas, and your motovlog is your masterpiece. Ride on, edit on, and share your adventures with the world. Inspire others to explore and create. Your journey is unique, and your motovlog can inspire countless others. So ride on, edit on, and let the world see your story.